Right, a couple of words to say about this place. The place is simply amazing. It's really remote. Belongas Beach or Belongas Bay is a 1 hour drive from here. It would be better to live there, but there is nothing, absolutely nothing. It's a local village. Previously there was only one dive center, now they are closed, so nothing. So every day we were loading in a car, going, beautiful road by the way, which I didn't film because there was a rain. Beautiful road, but for 1 hour. Then we loading on a boat, another 20-30 minutes, and then we start the diving. So that's what you have to expect. All the dive sites are really wild, absolutely wild. Strong currents, big swells. I haven't seen that beautiful soft coral walls for a pretty long time. Something like that I saw somewhere in the Philippines, Southern Leyte maybe, but also I don't know, maybe that was only 30% of what they have here. This place is not for beginners, definitely no, because every single dive is negative buoyancy, so we jumping in the water, going down to some 10-15 meters, meeting together, and then we start our dive. Magnet is pretty stressful if there are big waves. We were pretty lucky because the waves were only about 1.5-2 meters, not so strong currents. We were not lucky to see hammerhead sharks just simply because water temperature is too warm. It's about 27 degrees now, 26 sometimes, but definitely not 24 what we needed to see them. Mabul is also not here yet. There is still time until the middle of the June. Maybe we will come back again. If you're looking for civilization, restaurants, good hotels and other stuff, really limited. In Belongas there is one lodge, just to give you some understanding. Lodge with no aircon, no internet. The room costs 1 million. That's something you have to keep in mind. There is one idea that maybe we will live in Kuta, I mean Lombok, Kuta. That's one of the options, because there are more accommodations. If there is bigger competition, there are cheaper prices. Also some options with the food and restaurants. And from Kuta to Belongas, it's also 1 hour drive. Nature, amazing. Diving, wild, but beautiful. You can dive same dive spot again and again. Today, for example, we were in that swing. We were big swell, and we were just swinging back and forth, but super cool. The second dive we did was a blue hole. Amazing place. I wish there was a little bit better visibility, but kind of unusual to have a good visibility because of the swells, because of the lot of sand in the water and other stuff. But yeah, beautiful place. So I gonna split this all material because I have about 100 gigabytes, which is absolutely unusual. Usually I have only some 30 for one episode or 25, and so there will be 3 episodes about Lombok. Hello, hello. 6:30 in the morning. We packing up for the Lombok. And that's how it looks like here in Chandidasa. So that was the first stop. Next is Padang Bay. We load up on a Roro and then around 4 hours. When it's a diving trip, it's never light. Just look at my bag. It's about, I don't know, most probably around 25 kilos. at Lombok. So now we are waiting for our driver and going to the villas. Then we'll meet tonight with our diving organizers and then diving tomorrow. And so we arrived at Mango Lodge. Let me show you around. I love this place. Looks really nice. So this is a living room. We have small kitchenette, fridge. So we're gonna put our fruits there. Like nice sofa. This one is one bedroom with a double bed. That's where we're gonna stay. And then there is a second floor. This one is one bedroom. Oh, it looks really cool. I love the ceiling. Looks cool. King size bed, small cabinet, terrace, or actually balcony. It's not the terrace, balcony. Huge one. All made from wood. And that's how it looks like out from here. So there's the bathroom and shower. I had a plans like to a little bit go somewhere, but it took us all the day to get here. It's 5:30 in the evening, and most probably we are not going anywhere. Place is most probably like I'm at 10 years ago. Really undeveloped. It's like only this lodge. There is another one. A lot of young people who like loud mufflers. Anyway, so it's really remote. It's not really remote. There's nothing, no tourism infrastructure. That's it. It's absolutely not remote. There's a lot of people around here, and there is a like small village, but there are no shops, nothing. Just only these small sari shops, and that's it. Good morning from this beautiful place. It's the second day of our trip. Today we go diving. It's a sunrise on my back. It's a dog. That's the dog. He became my friend yesterday. Hello, my friend. Plan for 3 dives. We're gonna do Magnet, we're gonna do Cathedral, and something else. Girls are ready for breakfast already, so in some 30 minutes then we will start moving. There's always that question, what equipment to take with you. I'm usually taking sand mount when I'm traveling. Well, probably I always taking only one regulator, so I'm taking the long hose and putting on a left side, but this time I'm taking the regs for 2 tanks, and because we have downgoing currents and pretty strong swells, because I have to be sure that everything is safe. But anyways, yeah.